Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn the transparent color keywords. So how it is very simple and easy to learn. For this, I am taking two div elements. So the div light, this div element is having light green background. And the second one is I'm going to taking as like a transparent background. This div element is transparent background. Okay, so let's see one by one here. We'll try to explore more the things. So first I'll take a class with example 1 and example 2. So the div dot ex ex1 only I'll take for an example one, first one and a second one. Background color I'm taking as light green. So we have already taken so light green, yes, here it is. So the keyword which I'm using for the border for this, for the border for this 2px will take solid and black. Okay, and padding surrounding the text commonly will take like 15px. So we are going to be apply for this, and this div, the first one I'm going to applying this class. So the class ex1. So let's check this first one. Go to browser and reload. So light green with the background which is applied. Now let's see for second example, we are going to taking div dot ex2. Here it would be like a background color. How I am giving background color, it is a transparent. We can give the transparent colors. So the border would be like 2px solid and color is black, and the padding is the same, 15px will follow. This class I'm going to applying for this div, class ex2. So perfectly it's done. Save it and run it. Wow, this is not applied anything. Okay, we'll make it like a differentiation between these two. I'm putting a simple BR break line. Run this. Yes, let's see. This is the background is having nothing, like it's in a transparent. It is applied for this div. If we are taken any image over here, if we are taken any image in the body, then we will feel a great experience. Let me take body. Let me take a body with an image, then you will get a great experience. So the body and background image, yes, background image URL which is follows, which is a local image. I think apple.png is available in my system, I think so. Let me run it first. Yes, now you may observe this is not going to be like a overlapping. This is not going to be like it's the green color which one we have applied, it's straight away it's covering to the apple, and the transparent which is there, it's not covering, it won't apply. If I apply the transparent for this, it will also be go to the back. So if any above to the image text, if you want to present, you may use to transparent keywords and apply for the colors and information which you need to apply for div elements or any boxes. So that way you can get more color themes and applying above to the image. If you want to present any text, yes, you can arrange it. So it's a very simple and easy, and using CSS to getting an image also you have learned here, background images to applying wherever you require. Using CSS you may write this URL and this image is available inside the folder. See, this is my project folder. This is an apple. This image only I called. So within a folder, anywhere, if you want to, if it is in another folder, you may write the image folder and // That's it. The path will be set and it will be called. We are setting in a path of image where it is saved. So I hope it is very easy and simple lecture. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.